Okay, in this video, I want to show you how to add voice to a voice recording to your clip inside of Adobe Premiere. So we begin, and I can see that I have my project window open, and I also have open my audio track mixer. So what I'm going to begin with is I'm going to take a look at my timeline, and I can see that I have my video clip right here. And I want to add audio. Now I can see that I have several different audio lines. I'm going to add my audio onto audio 1. And you can see you can mute a track, unmute a track. Now as I come on over and I look at my audio track mixer, it's set to the name of this project. And I'm going to again work with audio 1. So the first thing that I want to do is I want to hit record. And then I would hit this little record button right here. So I'll hit record here and then play. This is a test. Now, I can see that I have this weird feedback noise, and that's from my microphone. So what I did is I turned the volume down on my computer. I'm going to hit stop, clicking this right here, and I can see that my file comes in right in here. Now, I want to show you another really cool thing that you can do. Again, I could come in, I could slice the audio, but as I listen right in here, and that's from my microphone. So what I did was I turned the volume down on my computer. Actually hear some noise. And so what I could do, sometimes the noise may actually just be the sound of a air conditioner. So in order to address some of that, reduce some of the noise, I can click this right here and I can add an effect. So I can come to my effects and I can come to noise reduction. And I can choose adaptive noise reduction. Now, what I've been doing on my Premiere projects is adding this to all of them. All right, so I just set it to 9.6. So again, one more time, making sure that the volume on my computer isn't competing with the volume of my microphone. So what I do in order to add my audio one more time is I make sure that the R is clicked on the track that I'm using. Step 1, adding the noise reduction from the beginning. Step 2 is coming in, making sure that I have the correct audio clip selected. Click on the R, and then click to record, click play, and here we have it. We can see that it is recording, and I'll end by clicking just like that. Now I can see that the audio clips will appear in the project window, as well as on the timeline. So there we have it. Thanks so much for listening.